what's the biggest challenge you have today going forward? What keeps you up at night?
How much time have you got? Biggest challenge I'm seeing, and it's not just for me, but it's North America wide, is outsourcing, offshoring, I guess is the correct word. Right now, I have to bid design projects against offshore suppliers that essentially will do it for free if they want to do the if they get the manufacturing, and that is impossible to compete against. There is a belief in the marketplace, driven somewhat by the media, and a lot of entrepreneurs and inventors think that, well, if I go to China, it'll be cheaper. And you're right, it will be on the face of it, but the truth be known, it won't be cheaper. Chinese are good at what they're good at. They're great manufacturers. In fact, one of the benefits of PD that we didn't talk about earlier, but we do have relationships with Chinese manufacturers, and we can get our customers into manufacturing much quicker than if they just we just sold them the design, they walk away. So we part of the service we offer our customers is we help them get into manufacturing. We call it new product introduction, or NPI. Some design companies don't want to get involved in that, but we pride ourselves in actually having our designs make it to the marketplace, which means you have to get through manufacturing. So we appreciate Chinese or offshore Asian manufacturing, but we know when to use it and when not to. And that's what keeps me up a lot of times, is the fact that I can't compete for free. And I've heard a lot of customers who've gone to China the first time and they've been bitten, and they come back and say, we'll never do that again. And then you quote them, and well, yeah, but it's hard to pay you $100,000 when I can get it for nothing over there. And yeah, I know I'm going to have to spend an extra 6 months there. I'm going to have to spend a lot more time, and I have the problems of losing my design to somebody else, and quality issues, and just translation issues, and all the interface issues you can have in China. But it's still free is a lot cheaper than paying anything else. So that's a concern for me. I think it's a concern for all of North America. What lets me sleep sometimes at night is the fact that I'm hearing from some of our partners, local contract manufacturing partners, that they're starting to bring stuff back.
Yep, we've heard that.
Larger companies and sometimes the small startups have gone offshore, been burned, and said, okay, we're not going to do that again. We're going to bring it back home and use Asia or offshore where it makes sense, but not just take the whole baby and throw it over there and just please send me what I need at the end of the day. North Americans are better at some things, and I think design is one of those things. Innovation is another, and that's obviously this, your story. So that's kind of what keeps me up and lets me sleep at night.